dark and lovely. Art is beautiful. Culture is a statement. It defines our people. Dimma arts and crafts. We capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful. Culture is a statement. It defines our people. Dimma arts and crafts. We capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Art is beautiful.
Guys, follow me. I want to show you guys something today. Let's go.
Art is beautiful. Culture is.
Wow, guys, I want to show you guys something that's very unique. Like today, I want to show you guys what I discovered from my research. Like this place I'm taking you guys now is where the name Ebonyi State originated from. So guys, let's go. Let me show you something.
Art is beautiful.
Let's go. When I was growing up, my father, our old people, our grandfathers, then they were like, do you know that the name Ebonyi State originated from Ebonyi? Like Ebonyi here now, Ebonyi here. So guys, I'm here to take you guys to the river where the name Ebonyi State originated from. So follow me on this episode today. Let me take you guys there. Wow, it's gonna be wow. Like, let's go. Wow. Oh my God. I still remember your girl Dimma and Crab, the queen of African culture, guys. Let's go. Oh, no wonder. Oh, so some people do come here for sacrifices. Them. Oh, it's Ebonyi. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. Wow. That's interesting. Oh, this is my first time of being here. Hi guys. You see again, Dimma and Crab, the queen of African culture. Guys, on today's episode, I'm here to show you guys where the name Ebonyi State originated from. Guys, I am here live to show you the name Ebonyi State that we all know Ebonyi State from. Abakaliki Ebonyi State originated from this very river here, like this. So if you take a look at my back, if you want to see trace where the salt water is coming out from my back here, this is where the head is, but I won't be going there because of one or two things. So guys, so this is where, when you talk of, we call this river Ebonyi River, located in Obollo, in Uden local government area of Enugu State. If you take a look at this, you see where this whole water comes from and passes here to Ebonyi River. If you get to Ebonyi State, you see that the river is very large there. It expands there more than this place, but this is where the river originated. You trace it from here, pass through here to it came to a handful to Ebonyi State, called Ebonyi River, Ebonyi State today. So guys, let's go. Let's see how it goes. But I won't be going far because I'm not meant to get to the extreme there. Let's go. Let's go. Ebonyi River. Whoa, it's getting dark, but I think the outside is brighter than here. Somebody is scared of research work. Hey, wow, this is interesting. Oh my God! Wow, it's getting deep, man. I won't be going far. I don't want to go inside there. Are you coming? Hey, it's getting more deep. My goodness. Okay guys, so I'm not meant to go inside. As a lady, I'm not meant to go inside. So guys, oh, like I said, this is where the name Ebonyi State originated from. We call it Ebonyi, Isi Ebonyi. Like when I was growing up, at times our fathers they will be like, we went to Isi Ebonyi today. I ain't did Isi Ebonyi. So guys, I thought of discovering this thing to find out. Our fathers, my mothers, they do say that the name Ebonyi, that this Ebonyi State over here, Ebonyi State, Ebonyi originated from here. And I was like, okay, let me go on this trip to find out true where this river, Ebonyi River, started. And that's why I'm here today to show you guys how this whole thing. So I was meant to go front, but I think somebody is scared of going deeper. So okay guys, so I can't go further than this. Hey, well man, wow, this is interesting. I think I'm seeing some people, they do come to here to do sacrifice because it's I think we heard of. Oh my god. Oh my god. They do come here to do sacrifice. See the way they are pouring their clothes, wrappers, different colors, stuffs. Okay, because of Isheboy. Yeah, this is where they bring all the sacrifice to. Oh my god. I can't go again. Oh no.
Dark and lovely, ours is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty. Dark and lovely, ours is beautiful. Dark and lovely, ours is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty. Dark and lovely, arts is beautiful. Dark and lovely, arts is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty. Dark and lovely, arts is beautiful.
Okay guys, so this is the confluence between the Iyawo and Ebonyi River. This is where they merge. This is where they meet each other. This is both of them has waterfall. This one is called Iyawo waterfall, and the one up there is called Ozi waterfall. This is where they meet. And if you look at this water, I want to show you something. Like this one here from the Iyawo, this one here is very cold, while the one from Ebonyi here is very hot. That's the difference. And I begin to wonder how come they are all having different feelings. Like this very cold and this is hot. And there's this thing about this Ebonyi River. Wherever this very Ebonyi River gets to merge with other river, you must create a difference to show that I am different from this. I don't have any. There must be something that will differentiate Ebonyi River from another river where they merge. Like so, guys. There's something unique about this place that I am. This waterfall here has a cave under that is very beautiful and lovely. Take a look at it now. You see how lovely it is. Wow, this place is very cold. Like, how come? There's some things that happen and you begin to imagine how these things happen. Like, Can you imagine? Like, this place is very cold. As I'm standing here now, like my legs are freezing, like very, very cold. Like, wow, there's serious thing about this nature that we see like this. Okay, let me show you the unique waterfall. Wow, this is beautiful. Take a look at it. It's beautiful. Wow, I'm beginning to like it. Wow, it's beautiful. Come, let me show you something. This cave is very lovely and beautiful. The place is very cold. I feel different here compared to the other side. Wow. Wow. It's very unique and beautiful. This waterfall is very nice. Oh, I love it. Wow. Okay. Let's go.
Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty. Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty. Dark and lovely, art is beautiful.
Okay, so this is the Ebonyi waterfall. This is the cave, Ebonyi waterfall. It has a cave under. This is very lovely, like the water is pumping out with force, like wow. Look at the way the cave is well designed, lovely and nice. Like wow, 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 wow. The cave is designed itself with enough of coal, like there's enough goodies here, man. Enough seasides for you to come and see. Oh, I'm beginning to love the place, like wow. Wow, wow. This place is very beautiful. This is the Ebonyi waterfall. It has cave, very beautiful cave that designed itself with beautiful layers. If you take a look at it, you see how the cave designed itself with layers. That layers you see there is coal. When you talk about coal, mineral resources that we have here, very lovely place. Deposited here, enough of it here. There's something very unique here that you need to see.
Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. Dimma arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty. Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Dark and lovely, art is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people.